Hey there folks, Peter here with BlackRock Business, and today in the world of QuickBooks Point of Sale, we are going to learn how to copy a vendor and why you might do that. Before we do that, jump down below and click on the link to get over to our QuickBooks Point of Sale Facebook group. Join up there and ask questions. People such as myself and other community members will answer your questions. And if you're on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe. So let's jump into it here. We're going to go to the vendor list first. I only have a few vendors here, but here's one that we might want as an example. We have SweetMerch. And why would you want to copy a vendor? Well, there may be certain settings or fields that are filled in a vendor that you already have, and you may be propagating another vendor that is either associated with them or just like them or has some similar information that you just want to save your typing time and you just want to copy them to another new record and rename the company. Otherwise, certain companies or vendors of yours may have different divisions. You know, you might have 3 different departments at a vendor that you work with. And so you may just want to copy all the information over and make specific departments for that vendor that you deal with on a regular basis that are similar with similar information but different names. So I'm just going to highlight SweetMerch here. I'm going to hit the copy button, big blue button up here on the left. And one thing you're going to want to actually know about this screen is, for some reason, QuickBooks Point of Sale does not like to have a new vendor that has all the same contact info. It'll keep your contact and the email, some other things, but when we rename this to the candy department, and when I click out of that, or if I hit tab, it actually makes the street and phone info disappear. Don't ask me why it does that. If you ask me, I think Intuit should fix this so that it copies everything and keeps it, but for some reason it does not. You can have the same contact and email and the same payment information over here, as well as account and alternates, but for some reason they want you to go ahead and put in a new address. So there you go. And it's as easy as that. So now we've just copied a new record for the vendors. Down here, up here we have SweetMerch, and down here we have SweetMerch Candy Department, and hopefully they have a different mailing address. But you can fill in all of the information accordingly, and there you have it. You've made a copy of a vendor. My name's Peter with BlackRock Business. I hope you have yourself a great day now. Leave any comments down below and I'll be sure to respond to them. Bye.
This is what I call saving time and using your time efficiently. Oh yeah. Don't waste a spare minute of the day when you got your hands